How to create a calendar in Notion. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, open up a web browser and go to notion.so. Then, if you haven't created an account, you can do that right now. After that, if you look at all of these options, you're not going to find the option of calendar. So for this, you want to click on add a page. As you do this, you're going to find the option of calendar. So click on this option. Now, if you have already created a database, then you can simply click on select a data source. So if you have a data source, you can create calendar out of that. If you do not have one, then you can create a new database. For that, you want to click on new database option, which is right here. Click on this option, and as you can see, a calendar format is created here. Now you can customize events or add reminders, whatever you want with your calendar. You can also add a title here. So do that, and as soon as you have done that, over here on the right hand side, you will be able to access your calendar anytime you want. And that's how you can create calendar in Notion. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.